kitchen, everybody. Again, it's Tony, and today we're going to make some beans. And I know what you're saying. You're saying, hey, how is this a camping recipe? Remember, I like to make my food before I go camping so that it's stressless camping. I just basically have my food ready. And two, you know what these beans taste like? They taste like the can they came in. Ugh. So I'm going to show you how to make some really good beans really quickly and easily. So check this out. So the first thing you're going to need is one of these Pampered Chef Quick Cookers. It's like the Instapot, but it's the Pampered Chef brand. You do not need a stove. It's on the stove because it just looks cool, duck on it. But anyway, so start out with the Pampered Chef Quick Cooker. And then we need the ingredients. All you basically need are a cup of beans, some of this caldo de pollo stuff, and there are two spices I like to use, not together, but different spices. One is this savory spice, Cuban island spice. Oh, that makes, obviously, Cuban style beans. But one that's kind of a surprise, this is the savory spice Baker's Brew coffee spice, and it makes a very unique tasting bean. And man, they're just good. I can't describe. It's got a little coffee flavor, obviously, but just they're super good. So let's get to making some beans. Okay, we're gonna start with der beans. Gonna add 3 cups of water. That was 1 cup of beans, by the way. Just regular old pinto beans that you buy at the store. 3 cups of regular old water. Now I'm gonna make it with these Cuban spices today. Okay, so we're just gonna put in 1 teaspoon of this Cuban island spice, because it's powerful stuff. So, well, okay, a heaping teaspoon. And a teaspoon of this caldo de pollo stuff. A little lumpy there. Bam. That's it. This thing could not be any easier, right? Put the lid on. Put it on correctly, it works better. Bam. Now let's plug her in. Okay, so it's up and running. Now all you have to do is hit beans. So you spin this knob until beans is lit up. 25 minutes, you're gonna have really great beans. Make sure that the steam valve is down, and bam. All right, see you in 25 minutes with some beans. Okay, our beans are done. So, first of all, let's turn off the jiggity water. And by the way, it'll keep the beans or whatever's in it warm for a good long time. It's got a timer for that. Let's let the steam out, which is done. And we have a pot of delicious beans. And these are going to taste a million times better than anything that you get in a can. So, there you go. I know, again, we are stressless camping, and I've been in the kitchen here the whole time. But again, I like to take things with me that are easy to warm up or just use by the fire. Now, these beans that I made today are actually destined for chili. And again, every piece that you put into a recipe or such, the better it tastes, the better it tastes. So let's try out these beans. And that was so fast. I've been thinking they've been delicious. Okay, I love puns too. Well, anyway, Thank you for watching. Hopefully you tell your friends. Remember, we do a podcast about RVing and camping called StressLess Camping. Find it all at the link that we have. Hey, link. Come on. No, thank you. Have a link there. We also have down below all of the links to the things, the ingredients or products that I use that are, if they're unusual. And well, we really appreciate your watching. Happy camping, and we'll see you at the campsite.